Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC, and in today's video I will show you on how to fix the problem of DVD or CD-ROM is not working on your Windows PC. Let me show you how to fix the problem. Very first thing you want to do right here is to come down below right here, go ahead and right click on Start. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Device Manager right here. So Device Manager dialog box here is going to pop up right here, and the next thing you want to do here, next thing you want to do is go ahead and come to the top right here, click on View, and go ahead and click on Show Hidden Devices. And here we go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then you have DVD-ROM driver. So under the head, go ahead and select on it. And once you select on it, go ahead and make sure you click on the Update Device Driver right here. The next thing is going to come for Update Drivers Microsoft Virtual DVD-ROM right here. How do you want to search for driver? Go ahead and click on Search Automatically for Driver. Just like so, you can see the best driver for your device already installed. Go ahead and click on OK, and you are done. You can update as many as possible DVD-ROM you have right here. Once you are done, go ahead and insert your DVD play disc, and then you start using your DVD-ROM environment and CD-ROM in your PC. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.